Well, this video is about as short as most of them get. Just happens the GoPro helmet cam didn't put the SD card in it, didn't bring the drone. Went back a while, I thought put the phone in the tripod holder, but I didn't bring it. So very short video. I got to get back to work. The video stuff can't hold me up, but as you can tell, I'm knee deep in it. Cleaning out a horse barn or stall, and it's been pretty deep build up over the years. So having to work with a bent arm to get back in here and get this scraped out. I can't really lift up all the way to really scoop it like you'd like to, but we've got a lot of excellent soil that'll be piled up on both sides. There'll be some rich stuff that'll be used for some gardening, and another pile up here that is some rich topsoil and a little bit of manure with it from the first stall, but also doing a little bit of swaling here, trying to get this to come around the front, maybe off in that ditch. Some very light grading, but getting the manure out, and then be heading up in that field up there to work on a culvert, some drainage, and several more small things. But that's all I'm going to do today. I'm not going to have anything set up actually working, but pretty easy day. But I've had allergies, stuff come on for spring, and man, it's killing me. The best I felt in a few days, but I'm going to get back on it. Y'all have an awesome day.